Ngayon,
Nasaan siya?
na hinintay ko lang, sa bus station kami magkita.
O, doon. Upo tayo doon.
Sige. Hindi, ano? Look at you always. I like your necklace.
Mamaya, ninanakaw na yung pera mo.
Walang pera dyan, walang pera. Dito banda. O yan, banda. Dyan, dito ka. Maganda dyan. Ayan. Okay, we are in Preston, Lancashire. Here we are again, si Madam Lynn Bell Show. Ang tingnan mo naman yan. Oh, saan ka makakita ng ganyang beauty? Ha? That's the beauty of Madam Lynn Bell Show. Yoo-hoo!
Sayang kahapon.
Bakit kahapon? What's the problem kahapon?
Dapat ko, pinakilala ko siya yung man.
Bakit mo, bakit ipakilala mo siya sa akin?
Eh, bakit meron na rin akong lalaki sa buhay ko. Ito naman.
Ay, mayroon kang boyfriend ngayon?
Hindi, friend lang.
A friend?
Flirt.
Are you just flirting?
Di ba? Flirting is not...
Huwag masyadong malaki.
Flirting.
Yes.
Flirting is not the same have a good time.
Ah, okay.
Stealing is not the same. It's not the same.
Nakulit.
Stealing is not... Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yun?
Stealing is not the same. Shoplifter, they are not the same.
Ah, yes, it's true.
Yeah, stealing is not the same to shoplifter.
Okay.
Flirting is not the same to have a good time.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's you. Just can listen, dali.